Hey guys, I'm Lipika and you are watching my channel Art in Blood. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe my channel, and below there is a bell icon. Press the bell icon to get more notifications from my channel. Check description to know what materials I have used to make this craft. So let's begin now. I'm using red acrylic to paint the bottom section of the bulb. You can also use poster color. Also you can use watercolor, but be sure about its thickness. Now I'm painting the skin of Santa. This color is easily available in any stationery shop, but by chance you don't get it from any store, you can mix orange and white acrylic to make this tone. Just mix a small quantity of orange paint with a larger quantity of white paint. That's it. Here I am using white yarn to make Santa's mustache and long beard. Just wrap the yarn on a cardboard or your cell phone. Take a single thread and just make a knot like this and pull the yarn out from your cell phone, piece of cardboard or whatever you are going to use. You can also use cotton to make Santa's beard and mustache. You just only have to stick the cotton on the surface of the bulb. Take a red art paper and cut out a triangle shape. Roll it to a cone shape to make Santa's hat. Make 2 more cones and just cut out the topmost area. Here I am sticking 2 black and transparent bindis to make eyes. Now I am drawing a black belt. Make 2 lines with black color and in between use white, silver or golden color to complete the look of the belt. Use Fevicol or hot glue to stick Santa's hat and arms. It's better if you use hot glue. Use hot glue to stick 3 of those white yarns and trim its end. Stick another set of yarn to make it look like a mustache. Make 2 pairs of shoes for Santa with thermocol and color it black or brown. Stick the shoes with hot glue. And that's it. Your little Santa is ready. Hope you all like this tutorial. Check other videos in my channel. Subscribe and share. Thanks for watching and Merry Christmas.